Good morning, college composition students. It is Mr. Piontek. Unfortunately, I am unable to be with you all this morning. I am at the doctor. Do not worry. Everything is okay. So you don't have to worry about that. But I still wanted to make this little video for you guys to go over the weekly agenda. So if you guys take a look here, we are on 9/14. We are doing the weekly check-in as we speak. I am gonna have you guys do a small activity today looking at introductory sentences, and I'll go over that in a moment. But really the bulk of the week is time for you guys to work on your drafts and have access to me for me to look at them, answer questions, give you feedback, talk to you about your topics, anything that you think you could possibly need this week. You guys have time to work on that and ask me. So we'll be setting up times for you guys to conference with me, times for you guys to meet me in my office hours, basically just trying to get having some contact with all of you one-on-one during the drafting process. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at the introductory sentences activity I'm asking you all to do today. So the reason I want you to do this is because sometimes writing the opening sentence in an essay can be one of the hardest parts. And it's really important to start your essay off on the strongest foot possible. I'm sure you've heard that across all your English classes throughout your years at Lindbergh, and all about getting and creating that great hook that really will engage your reader. So what you're going to do is first, you're going to choose and comment on at least 2 of the opening sentences you find to be effective and comment on what you think makes it effective or ineffective. So these are different opening sentences from the different summer reading books and essays therein. After you examine the 2, you will answer the following question. How does it engage the reader, establish characters, places, events, speakers' tones, and/or moods? So remember, this is an and/or. You don't have to talk about all of these, just a couple. And how does it work with the title to help establish the essay's main topic? So pick 2 of these sentences and answer the question. You can type your answer down here for me. Next, after you finish doing that, read the opening paragraphs of Annie Dillard's An American Childhood, Janae Desmond Harris's Tupac and My Non-Thug Life, and Brad Benoff's Rick. Answer in the space provided. What literary techniques do they use to engage the reader? How does each establish their own voice and/or personality traits that are relevant to the essay later on? And then type your answer there. I do not see this activity going longer than 20 minutes. Now, other things, just a quick reminder of things that you may not have yet submitted that you need to. I am recording this video on Sunday at 5:15. There are some people who still have not turned in the writing about people exercise. There are still topic proposals that need to get into me so I can look at them and give you either a thumbs up or thumbs down. And also several of you need to complete the writing for audience activity, which was assigned at the end of the week last week. So you have plenty to keep you busy. The introductory sentences activity is due by class time tomorrow. All of these should be done and turned in hopefully already. If you have any questions, any cares, any concerns, please feel free to reach out to me through the Canvas email system, or you can just use the good old Lindbergh Gmail, and just let me know what you guys need from me. I will be back with you all in class tomorrow, and I look forward to it. Have a great rest of the day, everybody. Bye.